Hello, here we have a ROKAE CR7C. So we are showcasing a welding application right now. So we have tool changers. So basically you can use multiple tools at the same time. So you don't have to worry about having two robots to do the same stuff. So this is an auto connector from Grip. And basically what the robot does right now, it detects the parts from the camera right here, and then it sees what type of part it is first. So is it a square or a circle? And then it also locates it, and then it sends the coordinates to the robot, and then the robot picks up the parts and aligns it. So as you can see right now, the the alignment is not always so great. So what we did instead is we have a jig right now. So and then the gripper pushes the part itself, and then it comes to the same position every time, which gives us perfect welding. So you can see the tool changer getting changed right now, and then we pick up the welding gun and it gets welded, and the part gets placed in the tray back. And yes.